Fẹ́ràn, I like that type of thing. Èmi fẹ́ràn nǹkan yẹn, right? Me, the same as that one. Yes.
What's the difference when you add wrong after fair? So you say fair wrong. What's the difference between fair and fair wrong?
Fair and fair wrong. I explained the wrong as encompassing, right? You're not touching it yet. Wrong, you extend, just like fire extends, right? And engulfs the whole thing. So wrong is like you embrace that thing, right? You like it, you look at it, and then you embrace it. Not physically carrying it, but in your mind, you already accepted that thing. An example will be buying something in the store. Buying something, you like this ring or earring or something, and then you touch it. Let's say it's an African market and you're talking to an African market woman and you say, mo fẹ́ràn aṣọ yẹn, mo fẹ́ràn ring yẹn, right? Or mo fẹ́ràn yẹrí etí yẹn, that's your earring, right? And say, èló ni, how much is it? That means you have interest in it. You say, o fẹ́ràn, which means you like it. But when you say, mo fẹ́ yẹn, you're already telling her you want that one. And then she's already removing it and giving it to you. You just give her the money, right? That's how to explain that. The fẹ́ràn and the fẹ́, right? Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. So, mo fẹ́ jẹun. This explains it, but this is like an action. You want to. This is, you want to eat, right? This combination. I want to eat, right? Mi ò fẹ́ jẹun will mean I don't want to. Me ò. When you see that O or K-O, that means no. No go area. None. Right? You don't want to do that. Mi ò fẹ́ lọ sí. Now you're going to be using this in a sentence.
I don't want to go.
You don't want to, I don't want to go. Sounds musical too. I don't want to go. Like they're forcing you, right? You don't want to go to church on Sunday. I don't want to go to this church. I don't want to go. All right. Mi ò fẹ́ lọ sí. Then you say that. What is it? You know, I don't want to. Mi ò fẹ́ lọ sí Ìbàdàn. Mi ò fẹ́ lọ sí Lagos, right? Or mi ò fẹ́ lọ sí Southfield. You can mention anywhere, right? Èmi kò fẹ́ jó. Or mi ò fẹ́ jó. You can say èmi, use that èmi like that, right? Èmi kò fẹ́ jó. I don't want to dance. Jó is dance in Yoruba. Right? So this is clear. Ó sọ fún mi pé, he or she told me that, and then you put the word there. So if you are constructing your words, you can say, ó sọ fún mi pé kò fẹ́ lọ, kò fẹ́ jẹun. Right? Kò fẹ́ jẹun. Take that M out and put K there. Right? Ó sọ fún mi pé. You find the words and then you put it there. All right, you form the words, put it in front there, and then it became a sentence. Becomes a sentence. Kò sí nǹkan kan, there's nothing. Nothing at all. Nǹkan kan or something. Right? Or something that you can use it positively or negatively. Right there. Kò sí nǹkan is still also something, but this is repetition and it becomes what? An adjective. Yes, question.
So, if you were going to say I want something to eat, would you say coffee, kosi feja? I mean, no, kosi.
Kosi. Kosi means there's nothing.
Oh.
It doesn't exist. Kosi nǹkan kan tí mo fẹ́ jẹ. There's nothing I want to eat right now.
What if you want to say I want something? Would you say coffee?
When you say ko, you already knocked it out.
Oh.
So that means you can't use ko. Owa is, it exists. Or you can say, instead of ko, you can say kí ló wà tí mo lè jẹ. Very, very good question you raised. Kí ló wà tí mo lè jẹ? Question. What's there to eat? What's there for me to eat? Kí ló wà tí mo lè jẹ? Yes.
What if you wanted to say what is there on the menu?
Yeah. This could refer to that as well. And on the menu, kí ló wà ní jíjẹ tí mo lè fi bá ẹnu. You see, you change it instead of repetition, right? Instead of say jẹ, you say bá ẹnu. Mo lè fi bá ẹnu. Rere, right? Kí ló wà ní jíjẹ tí mo lè fi bá ẹnu? We don't have menu in Yoruba, right? Which sounds really Yoruba-ish, right? Menu. Yes. Méjèèjì àbí.
Gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ.
Kí ló ń wá? Kí ló ń wá? What are you looking for? Right? Mommy said that to you and you respond. Mo ń wá pen mi àbí glasses mi. Mo ń wá, kí ló ń wá? This should register in your mind and you just say mo ń wá, because we already talked about mo ń wá before. Then you mention what you are looking for. Mo fẹ́ lọ ṣe irun mi. I want to go and do my hair. And what should precede this should be, where are you going? They see you dressed up. And then you're about to step out. Mo fẹ́ lọ ṣe irun mi. I want to go and do my hair. The next one we discuss is mo fẹ́ lọ gẹ irun mi for male, or sometimes for female too, because they too have low cuts. I want to go and barb my hair. Right? Mi ò fẹ́ lọ sí ilé ẹ̀kọ́, or mi ò fẹ́ lọ sí school. Or if you want to force it and call school the Yoruba way, mi ò fẹ́ lọ sí ṣùkúrù. Ṣùkúlù or ṣùkúlù. If you want to force it to happen. I don't want to go to school. And then That is very melodic. I don't want to go to school. Right? Teacher? Right? Okay. You want me to write that one? Me, you fail already, teacher? I'll leave that one. Okay. Because teacher will know already that you've been planning to do that, right? Okay. What's going on? It's not working. I got some good one here. Check that. You got it.
Give me the pencil. Uncle, can you sharpen my pencil, please?
Sure. Stop with that.
No, I'm just doing this first. Let me do the lake. Let me do the ocean.
The crayon too great.
Why?
Man, you must be applying a lot of pressure.
I don't know. Even broke my nose.
Wait, where's the light room? Like,
Back. More. The darker you make the shape, the further you go.